Alright guys, my house might be a mess. My kids might be acting crazy and we just might be late for soccer practice. But none of that matters anymore because today is a Rae Dunn haul, baby. Let's do it.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. Try to straighten up my bones and be a man.
Good morning, you guys. It has been pouring rain all morning long. It is cold outside. I love it. It's gray skies, raining, chilly. It is very hygge today here in our house. So the boys are watching, I think, Incredibles 2 with Rich in the other room. I am sitting here. If you guys did not see our hygge video, go check it out because you'll know what I'm talking about by sitting here reading in like a nice little warm spot. I've got my cozy knit sweater on. I'm doing some schoolwork. I'm reading on curriculum leadership, a little bit dry, but I'm working on that. So anyway, but I'm just hanging out today, you guys. It's so nice. I think we're gonna take the kids to get hot chocolate at In-N-Out because if you guys don't know, I've shared it before, In-N-Out Burger gives free hot chocolates to your kids on rainy days. And in Southern California, we don't usually have a ton of rainy days, so we take full advantage of our In-N-Out when we can. But yeah, it's supposed to rain. It's rained like the last 2 days and it's supposed to rain, I think, most of the week. So I'm kind of like loving this weather today during that whole entire last little clip. I made avocado toast this morning and it's so good. So anyway, crumb on my lip. I had to tell you. All right, so goals for the day. Keep the kids busy in the house while it's raining outside because it doesn't look like they're going to get to do much outside. It's also Super Bowl Sunday, so lots of fun Super Bowl stuff happening. We are 100% a Rams family, so we are rooting for our Rams, and then get hot chocolate for the boys. That's the day.
Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop.
Pancakes too?
No.
You sure?
I'm sure.
I'm gonna have some fluffy, buttery pancakes sitting on that table, ready to be eaten. You sure you don't want some pancakes?
This is why
Tell me now, because I put the mix in if you want it.
This is why I stay fat. Because you offer me.
Spinach in yours.
It's a rainy day.
It is. I love rainy days.
Making some. Wait, can we show everybody your sweatshirt, babe? Can we show the? Okay, y'all, look at this.
Go Titans.
He went to Cal State Fullerton. He's very proud of the fact. And this is his sweatshirt.
It's like 20 years old. Not to date myself.
I think it's
but like literally,
I'll be honest.
It is 18 years old.
I give him such a hard time about this.
This sweatshirt is like 4 times the age of Robbie.
I give him such a hard time about the sweatshirt, but I actually love that he wears it. It's like the kind of thing where if he ever passed away, God forbid, I would be like, remember his ratty old sweatshirt? I'd walk around the house wearing it, being the Miss Flauberhoff of Upper West Pasadena, Upper East Pasadena.
What is that from?
Like the crazy widow, you know, like the crazy widow that's walking around and
what's Flower?
it's actually from P.S. I Love You, Miss Flowerhaven or whatever.
Oh.
That's what I do. I'd wear your sweatshirts. And honestly, I don't think that's crazy. I think that's really sweet. So I would do that in a second. What are you doing, mister? Oh, you've got a hat. And Robbie's walking around in a warm, fluffy blanket. Whew, we made it to the car. All right, so Rich got an animal style fry. We were just talking about this last night on our live. So that's it, you guys. It's like a Thousand Island dressing, cut up rolled onions. It's not. It's their own with pickles and stuff in it. And then it's got cheese, melted cheese and onion.
It's
and
delicious.
That's it.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time to be alone is depressing. And you heard it, I can see it in your eyes. Pressing, and you heard it, I can see it in your eyes. watch the sun goes down. For you, I would do whatever. I'll pick you up where you feel you're about to drown. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. I know you will find your.
All right, you guys, so that was my Rae Dunn haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was a little bit of everything. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more vlogs like this, more family vlogs, a lot more Rae Dunn, more of us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the family today. We would love to have you here. And until next time, keep on growing. Peace. See you mañana. Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye.